freed from their holds long ago, lying face up on the floor of my vessel. I marvel at the stars and feel my heart overflow.